I went from managing over 2K in ad spend to managing close to $50,000 in ad spend over a few months for DTC brands. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips that I have, you know, that I have learned in the past few months to get better results in your for your Facebook and TikTok ads. So a lot of people ask me how to go about it, with the post iOS 14 updates and a whole lot of issues with all these ad platforms. But with all these brands I've been managing, I've found 3 to 4 really great tips that have worked for me, and I'm going to be sharing them. Now, if you're running a DCT brand, the most important thing right now, if you're running Facebook and TikTok ads, it is your creative. Now, your creative and you having the ability to churn out as many creative as possible, if they are photos, videos, IGC style videos, UGC style videos, your ability to churn out a lot of content would greatly increase the performance of your ads. And I've seen over 20% increase when we started using a lot of creatives. Now, let me walk you through one of the brands I manage. Now, this is the last 7 days, and this is over 200 and this is 232 conversions in the past 7 days, and over $6,000 purchase conversion value. And you can see there are a lot of ads here, and each of these ads have their own content, which means probably in a week we are testing over 500 different type of creatives, be it photos, be it videos, and this has really improved the ad a lot. Now, the second thing that you should do is to go broad. Now, I'm not saying interest-based audiences, interest-based targeting does not work. Most times we vary between these, but going broad gives Facebook's algorithm like the leeway to bring better results, and it releases the constraint of targeting. Sometimes when you go broad, you notice that you get lower CPM with most ads. And if you actually want to go, you can test different type of audiences. You can test broad audiences. You can test interest-based audiences, and importantly, you can test lookalike audiences. I believe doing this and actually testing this kind of audiences would greatly improve your ad. Now, the third tip is your budget is very important. Your budget is very important. And I know a lot of people are caught in between probably a lowest cost bidding strategy or a cost cap bidding strategy. But what I've noticed is that you should test to find which works for you. But if you're actually using a lot of creatives and you have budget constraints, I think the best bidding strategy to use would be the cost cap, which means Facebook would only spend your money, your budget, when there's a likelihood of them getting results for your ad. Now, as a bonus tip, one other thing you can do is to vary the type of ads that you run. For example, you can run ads, a DCT ad, which is dynamic creative text, which means Facebook automatically generates variations of your ad copy and creative for you. This increases how well Facebook is able to deliver your ads and serve your audience better. You can also try carousel ads. You can try catalog sales ads. Trying these variations of different ads would ultimately lead to better results for your brand. I really hope you found this helpful. and I would really appreciate you, liking and commenting on this video for this visibility. And also, please subscribe to my channel. I share helpful content like this from time to time. Thanks for watching.